Hello, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMk. Just unboxing a VivaMk delivery. So let's see what's inside the delivery. So we've got the delivery note. We've got a penguin painting. We've got make your own crackers. We've got a red folding footstool. We've got a gonk. So we've got a Christmas decoration, or perhaps two Christmas decorations. We got two cat tokens or collar names. Got some bubble wrap. We've got a Christmas bedtime story. So we've got a box here. Inside we've got some eco-friendly VivaMk kitchen cleaner, and we've got the empty box. We've got the second box. And we've got some direct to floor VivaMk cleaner. So we've got another empty box. So we've got a third box. So that's the main box. Empty. So we've got another box here. So inside this box we've got some beauty products. We've got some lipstick. We've got some colour correction. And we've got eyeshadow. And that's small box empty. So we've got some touch-up markers. We've got some box of Christmas cards. We've got some gel window stickers. We've got some drain sticks. We've got a bunny rabbit. We got some Christmas card gifts, or like money wallets. Another tub of money wallets. And we got a 100 gift labels. That's this box finished. So thank you for watching and see you next time. So if you fancy joining VivaMk, just give me a PM, and we're always recruiting. Thank you, bye.